In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Base44 by building AI-powered software. The first way is by building your own SaaS. Use Base44 to develop an AI tool that solves a specific problem, for example, content generation, automation, data analysis, or customer support. Instead of selling it once, charge a monthly subscription. Even 200 users paying $19 per month turns into recurring revenue. That's how real SaaS businesses are built. The second way is building an app and selling it to a larger company. Create something valuable, grow traction, prove demand, and then position it for acquisition. Companies buy software that saves time or makes money. The third way is driving organic traffic to your SaaS. Use YouTube, TikTok, SEO, or Twitter to attract users for free. Then reinvest profits into paid ads to scale faster. The key is simple. Don't just use AI to experiment. Use it to build assets that generate recurring revenue. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more AI business tutorials.